Fear of loss bonus. In the back office, open the menu and select Bonus. Tap Fear of Loss. The 14-day timer starts when you sign up. Here you will be able to see how much time you have left to qualify. Package bonus. The amount you get to keep is €3,000 if you invite 4 titanium packages, €1,000 if you invite 4 gold packages, €375 if you invite 4 black packages, and €125 if you invite 4 white packages. If there is a combination of packages, for example 2 black and 2 white, the lesser bonus, in this case €125, will be what you are qualified to keep. To qualify for bonus, you need to hold an education package and have one affiliate in each binary leg holding an educational package. To see if you have an affiliate in each binary leg who holds an educational package, go back to the drop-down menu and tap Downline. Here you can see who is your direct downline. If an icon is red, it means they have not paid. Their educational package type is indicated by the bronze, silver, gold, or platinum icon.